Jai Shri Krishna. Today I will discuss inching interlocking of two number of relays with load. At first we will draw control circuit. We will take 24 volt DC and one number of emergency push button switch, that is stop push button switch NC type. Two number of start push button switch NO type. Two number of relay and their NC contact 1, contact 1. At first we will make control circuit. 24 volt power supply we will connect at NC push button switch, that is emergency push button switch or normal stop push button switch. Then we will connect the wire in start push button switch number 1 here, and we will connect a contact port of relay to NC, that is relay 2, and its NC contact will be connect here, and the line will be connect to the relay A1 port and A2 will be connected 0 volt. At that similar way we connect a push button switch parallelly to 1 switch, push button switch 1, we will connect a push button switch number 2. In this way that the R1 NC contact port, R1 NC contact port we will connect here, and we connect the wire to R2 relay A1 port and A2 will be connected 0 volt. This is for control circuit, and we will connect here a power circuit drawing here 230 volt AC. This is 230 volt AC, and at first we will connect relay one number NO port here and a load here with neutral port N port, and relay number 2 N2, that is relay number 1 and relay number 2 N2 R2 NO 230 volt AC, the contact port NO, and load anything, that is motor, that is buzzer, that is a light, that is a calling bell, etc. etc. Whenever we push the push button switch, at first the power will be come here and goes here at that point. At that similar point there will be power. There was no power at that time. When we push the push button switch 1, the power will be goes here and goes there is direction R2 NC contact port and comes R1 A1 port, and A2 is connected to 0 volt, that the relay will be activated. In this case load 1, relay 1 will be get NC at the time when the relay is energized, then the load will be glow on. At that time, similar time, the R2 will be not activated if we press the push button switch, because when the relay 1 is activated, the R1 condition will be changed. NO become NC and NC become NO. That is why R1 NC will be get at NO position at that time. When we release the push button 1, the power go off and the relay 1 gets off, then the load L1 gets off. When we press the push button switch 2 here, then the R2 contactor or relay gets on. At that time R2 NC will be gets NO. Here physical contact will be changed NO. Then that time if we press push button 1, the relay 1 could not start because the power will be go in this port. Here will be no power because it was NO at that time. When the push button switch speed B2 is 1, at that time R2 will be get 1. That means NO will be becomes NC and the load 2 will be 1. Here is no holding circuit. So this is inching, and interlocking means when one activated, the other will be not activated. When this one is activated, this one will be not activated at the time. That is load. When R1 relay is activated, load 1 only glows or active. At that time R2 not glows. When R2 activated, then load 2 will be active. At that time load 1 will not glow or not active at any condition. This is for interlocking purpose. If the interlocking is properly, then 1 will be act on 1 and 2 will be not act. If 2 will act, then 1 not will be act. Thank you for showing interest. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.